I ain't even gonna hold y'all. This is why I really love Air Force Ones, man. Because sometimes they might just drop an Air Force One randomly and you don't even have any anticipation of picking up a sneaker that weekend, and they drop a fire colorway and you just like, damn man, this was not on my radar, and that's exactly what these right here are. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the pink camo Air Force Ones. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys new to the channel. Let's go ahead and run that intro and get straight to it, you dig?
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we have the camo prints and pink colorway, man, to the Air Force Ones. Now, I think I said that these are called the pink camo, but I think the official name that I saw on the internet is the camo prints and pink colorway for these, man. And these were not on my radar. These dropped on a random Sunday about a week ago, and I was just like, yo, I only seen them on Chic and Shoe Palace, and I had to snatch a pair up, man. But right here, you get your regular box presentation, nothing crazy, just your standard red with the white Nike. Now, the official name and colorway of these are the Air Force One Low Retro Desert Khaki Pink Foam Black. Now, I normally do go size down in my Air Force Ones, but stay tuned to the channel because I do have another pair of Air Force Ones that just made me change my mind on going half a size down because it destroyed my heart, man. It totally did. So I went on ahead and I grabbed these and a half size down, which I normally do, but then we recently this year we got 2 shoe palaces out here in the area that's close to me, man, about 30 minutes away, 30 to 45. So I went on ahead and I drove up there. I ordered these online and I just went and swapped them out in store to get a size 11. And you know, it seems like it wasn't really that many pairs of these that they actually made. At least I know when it came to the shoe palaces here, each shoe palace got a size run, just one of each shoe. So I mean, I had to go snatch these up, man. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, get some close-ups on these bad boys and throw these joints on feet. And y'all already know the Broski Nemo band's gonna come through and clean it up on feet. Let's go ahead and turn the camera around, you dig? Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm not as sure when the official release day of these were because they're Air Force Ones. You know, sometimes you get a hard date, sometimes you don't. I did see these last week on Sunday, so I think that was like the 13th or the 14th, something like that. I saw these on Shoe Palace and I saw them on Chic and they released on a Sunday. So I was just like, yo, I gotta go ahead and grab these. $125 is a suggested retail on these. And when I saw them, I love camo and I love gum bottoms, man. So right here, you do have a gum bottom on these right here, and it is a translucent gum bottom. It's not fully gummed out, you feel me? You can see that white through there and everything, and I like it. It gives it a nice little classy look to these right here. And I think it blends really perfect with the way that they did the camo. Just pay attention to me, y'all. So when it comes to the whole upper of this sneaker, it kind of gives off like an earthly blend of light olive at the base and pale gum soles on the underfoot. Clearing the space, louder touches above, meaning that you got hit with that camo. That camo just makes this joint pop like crazy. And it's not exactly patent leather on the camo, but when you look at the camo, you guys can see it kind of gives off like a glittery vibe to it, man. And that's where I say that it goes perfect with the gum bottom. And I mean, on the midsole, it's white. You got the air right there in black. On the inner and outer panels of the sneaker, as well as on the toe box, you do get hit with like a Durabuck, or it might even be Nubuck. I ain't even gonna hold you, man. It's like a Durabuck or a Nubuck on these right here, man. Or it could even probably be, nah, it ain't no suede. It's like a Durabuck or it's a Nubuck, you feel me? And when you're looking at going up, you do have the pink checks on these right here. And I like that glitter effect to it with the gold because it looks nice with the debris. Now at the top, you do have the Nike Air Force One in the black with the pink right there on the tongue. You have a pink sock liner, pink insole, black Nike Air branding right there. And then you also have the same type of effect going along the back of the sneaker on the heel. When I tell you that this colorway is super clean, especially for the summertime, I mean, these will go crazy year round, to be honest, man. But the gum bottom, the camo, it sold it. It's a low top Air Force One. You can't go wrong. Let's go ahead, man. We're gonna throw these bad boys on feet for you guys. Comment down below, let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these. We've been seeing a lot of different sneakers that have like a patent leather vibe, and I ain't gonna lie, I gotta give it to Undefeated for bringing them back, man. So y'all already know the vibes, man. Let's throw these bad boys on feet, you dig?
How about gang? Bitch, you kiss your friend in front of me, she better fuck too. I just popped this perk before I told that hoe to come through. When she throw it back, I had to hit her with that 1-2. I keep her around cause she do anything I want to. I be punching with my rounds, fuck around if you want to. SG keep them posy, smoking niggas like they runs too. Allie and them Halsey hit my line and told me come through. I got niggas out the country, boy, you know they like to hunt food. Hang around a bitch and what that make you a bitch too. Hang around a lick and what that make you a lick too. Niggas sending shots at us, don't think we not gon' hit two. Fuck around, gon' spin one, we spun back, gon' spin two. I pack and my blunts gon' like that. You can try your luck, just know that you can't get your life back. Thumbing through these dead niggas, I know that they don't like that. Use it for the head and make a pay her own flight back. Leaving them on red, but still getting all these right backs. Took a nigga, bitch, what you think I'm ready? Fight next. Niggas say it's up, that's where we gon' put his life at. Niggas, you ain't gangster, you ain't never grew up like that. Hey Brody, where that pole at? Glizzy with the Pro Mac. Niggas got their hands out. Nigga, hold that. Police set my door, she in the blinds, I told her close that. Made it out the back before they crash, I had to go fast. Yeah, we in the scat, it ain't the cat, but it still go fast. Shorty sneaking off and freaking off before she go back. Harry bitch, I fuck her, guarantee that I could go back. Bullets sound like bees, ready sting when they go past. I don't need no beam to bring this beam to your dough, man. Nigga should've been an athlete, he ran a full flat. You ain't getting broke back, you niggas better find a hobby before you play with me. Might just hit his bitch to get the code for the ADT. Bro, he laying low, just came home and got an APB. See, we getting money, I got hoes, yeah, from A to Z. This conversation A to B, getting checks could pay your dreams. I
hope you guys enjoyed the full detail review and on feet of the camo prints in pink Air Force Ones. And if y'all new to the channel, y'all don't know, man, I love camo and I'm a sucker for the gum bottoms on a pair of Air Force Ones. And I like how they did kind of like that translucent gum bottom. Now, this is not patent leather. It does look like patent leather, but the materials that they use on this is like a glossy overlay on these joints. And the reason why I said the gum bottom just goes perfect with these, with that translucent look to them, is because you kind of have like gold specks in these, man. It's kind of like a gold speck in these, man, that gives it this high gloss to it, and then you have like gold specks, and it just hits with the debris, man. But these are a vibe, G. I love Air Force Ones. I love low tops, and you know, hey, I ain't gonna lie, the forces have been out of control this year, man. I think this might be my second year that I've got a lot of forces, man. I think this is like maybe my 5th pair of forces this year, man. Maybe, or maybe even 6. I've got a ton of forces this year, and normally, you know, I say they drop about 3 forces that I really like, but they've been spinning these joints, man. So y'all let me know down below, were these on your radar? Did you know that these were coming out? Did you see these? You know what I'm saying? Comment down below, let me know y'all's thoughts and opinions on these, man. It is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Stay tuned to the channel. I will tell you guys why I have now decided to go with my true size when it comes to Air Force Ones, because I made a purchase on a pair of sneakers and they were Air Force Ones, and for some reason, man, they cut them shit hella small to me, man. I don't know, man, but it is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Stay tuned, man. We got some bangers coming up for you guys. We actually have some shoes that I normally do bring to the channel, and it's been about a year or 2 since I bought a pair of these to the channel, so finally got another pair of those coming in. You guys already know we will be doing the rare Air 4s this weekend. We already got those secured over on JD, so we will be doing a complete full detail review and on feed of those, as well as, man, them rare Air 4s, man, they remind me of another sneaker, and I can't wait to show them to you guys as well. So just stay tuned. We're on the grind to 20,000 subscribers. I'm gonna spin them pictures for you guys. I appreciate y'all rocking out with your boy. Until the next video, y'all. Peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna ride, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, they're stressed and I don't even try. Take all my Jordans and forces away from me and watch a young nigga still kill it.